Hello guys and welcome to another vlog. Today we're going to be making
Mickey chocolate chip cookies. So they're going to be sort of smaller versions of the massive ones that you can get in the Main Street Bakery. So yeah, let's get on and do it, I guess.
Yeah. Okay, so to make the cookies you're going to need 75 grams of unsalted butter, 65 grams of light brown sugar, 50 grams of caster sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, 150 grams of flour, half a tablespoon of baking powder, chocolate chips and milk cooking chocolate.
And we've actually got some metal Mickey cookie cutters which we got off Amazon. It came as a pack of 2, so that was good. I'll leave it in the description if you want to go and pick them up. But yeah, let's head on into it. So first off, you add the light brown sugar and the caster sugar into the bowl, and then you need to warm up some butter and just pour it in. Don't have the butter like too hot, just warm, and then just mix it.
Okay, so once you've mixed all your butter and sugars together, it should look like that. Doesn't look very nice. And then we put half a teaspoon of vanilla extract in. About that, I don't know. And then after that you put in 1 full egg and 1 egg yolk. So we'll put the full egg in first. And then just the yolk, and then you beat that together until it's light and creamy.
So once you've got that all mixed together, you then want to add your flour. Get that in there. And then mix that together a little bit. Not too much because you're going to need to add the baking powder anyway. So then you add your baking powder, and then we're going to just get everything off this spoon for now, because we're going to use an electric whisk just to speed up the process, really. So once your dough is getting quite thick, like it is here, you then want to get your chocolate chips and just pour them in, and then just mix it again just to get all the chocolate chips everywhere in the cookie dough.
Okay, so now it's time to bake the cookies. So we're just going to put the whole mixture into a baking tray and even it out. Ooh.
There it goes.
And just try and spread it around.
So once you've got your cookie mixture into the pan, you then need to cook it for about 15 to 17 minutes on a preheated oven at 150.
That's fine though.
Well, yeah, it is a fan.
If you've got a normal 170.
So then once that is out of the oven, you let it cool for another 15 minutes, and then you get cutting with the cutters, but we'll show you that in a sec. Right, so we've waited about 15-20 minutes, it actually took, for the cookie to, well, harden up, but not too hard, because you still want it soft enough that you can actually cut it. So we're going to cut them into Mickey pieces now, then wait for them to harden up again, so that they're not soft at all, and then we're going to put chocolate on them and decorate them. So let's go.
Okay, so we've cut the cookies into Mickey shape now. We're just going to leave them to cool for a bit, and then we'll be putting the chocolate on.
Right, so we've got our 2 Mickey cookies here. They are quite thick, they are thick boys, and then Emily is just slowly melting the chocolate to cover them with. I think we're just going to do the ears, aren't we?
Yeah. Okay, so we've got our melted chocolate in a bowl ready, and we're just going to dip the tops of his ears in and cover it with chocolate.
So this is the finished product. Quite pleased with them actually. I think it worked a lot better with the new cookie cutters that we've got.
Yeah.
Because the other ones were pretty rubbish, weren't they? So that's it for another video. We really enjoyed making some more bacon for a change. We're hoping to do some beignets at some point. Just need to get all the stuff for the recipe. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave us a like and a comment of if you've made them or will you be making them. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Have a magical day.